All right, Luke McDaniel here with Godwyn Stone Real Estate. I'm at another one of Brittany Picolo-Ramos's listings. If you would, we're going to come in and take a sneak peek. 822 Constantinople, right off Magazine, just a walking distance from all the shops. Come with me. Hey, what I love about this living area in here, throughout the house you have 12-foot ceilings, okay? But in here, floor-to-ceiling windows. You have a nice view outside. The patio and the courtyard nestled back off the street. It is an amazing place to just sit, hang out, enjoy the New Orleans life. All right, inside here we got the kitchen. I like the countertops, 300-year-old barge board, hardwood pine floors throughout the entire house. It is an amazing, amazing house. I want to show you the 2 bedrooms, so let's walk back this way. What's awesome about the bedrooms in here, you have a quiet private deck on the back side of the house, so you can just sit, relax, not have to worry about anybody seeing you, and just have a great time. Now we're in the second bedroom. Again, you have the same deck as you do on the other. It's 2 entrances for that deck. But if you follow me, the bathroom in here, you got your updated shower, so it's really nice. A lot of space. Just walk in, really good shower for those long days. But look, come check it out, 822 Constantinople. Call me, call Brittany, and we'll make it happen.